What if I told you that adding one custom feature to your e-commerce store could boost sales, streamline your operations, and give you a serious competitive edge? That's exactly what a custom e-commerce app or plugin can do. Hi, Charles Nicholson here with RightTech. Today, I'm going to walk you through the key things you need to know about developing a custom app for your existing e-commerce store, whether you're on Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or another platform. If you're looking to enhance functionality, automate processes, or offer a more personalized shopping experience, this is how you do it. In this video, I'm going to cover the essentials of developing a custom e-commerce app for your store, what it is, why it's worth the investment, and how much it typically costs. You'll also learn key factors to consider before jumping into development and how to avoid common pitfalls. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how a custom app can help you automate processes, increase sales, and give your business a competitive edge, all while making the most of your budget. A custom app for your e-commerce store can transform your business by adding functionality tailored specifically to your needs. For example, a better customer experience. Imagine providing your customers with a seamless, personalized shopping experience that goes beyond the standard store setup. Custom apps allow you to do things like advanced filtering, personalized recommendations, and even one-click checkouts. Another great option are automated operations. Need to sync inventory, automate email campaigns, or manage multiple sales channels more efficiently? A custom app can automate all of these repetitive tasks, freeing up your time and reducing errors. A third example we've seen here at RightTech is brand differentiation. When you build a custom solution, you can design features and workflows that are unique to your brand, making your store stand out from the competition. Now, let's dive into the big question. How much does it cost to develop a custom e-commerce app or plugin? The cost depends on a few factors. Number one, app complexity. A simple app might sync inventory or automate notifications, while a more complex app could include features like AI-driven product recommendations, advanced analytics, or integrations with multiple systems. Number two, the platform. Building for one platform like Shopify is usually more affordable than developing an app that works across multiple platforms like WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and others. Number three, third-party integrations. Integrating with services like payment gateways, shipping providers, or marketing tools can significantly enhance the app's functionality, but also increase the cost. Here's a general range for what you can expect. A basic custom app that handles a few specific tasks might cost anywhere from $1,000 up to $10,000. An intermediate app with more complex features could range from $10,000 to $50,000. For an advanced solution with multiple integrations or high-end features like AI, the cost can go up to $50,000 or more. Before jumping into development, consider these key factors to make sure your app delivers the best results for your business. User experience. The app should improve how customers interact with your store, whether it's making the checkout process faster or providing a more personalized product recommendation. Make sure the experience is intuitive and user-friendly. Scalability. You want an app that grows with your business. Make sure it's built to handle increasing traffic, more product listings, or expanding features without needing constant redevelopment. Integration with your store platform. Your custom app must seamlessly integrate with your e-commerce platform. Whether it's syncing inventory or managing orders, poor integration can cause delays, errors, or even lost sales. Security. Your app will be handling customer data and possibly financial transactions, so it needs to be secure. Be sure your developer is using encryption, secure payment gateways, and performs regular security audits. Maintenance and updates. A custom app is not a set and forget it solution. Plan for regular maintenance to ensure everything works smoothly and update it as your store grows or new platform features are released. Choosing the right developer. It's important to work with a developer experienced in building custom apps for your specific e-commerce platform. Review their past projects and make sure they understand both your technical and business needs. Here are a few ways to maximize your budget when developing a custom e-commerce app. First of all, start with an MVP or minimum viable product to launch with essential features and build out additional functionality over time. Use pre-built frameworks to reduce development time and costs, and consider offshore development teams to save on costs while still getting high quality work. While the upfront investment might seem high, a custom app is an investment that pays off in the long run. It helps you automate key processes, create a better shopping experience, and increase sales, all of which help your business grow. But before you develop a budget for your custom app, let's take a moment to look at the cost of inaction. What you're losing by not investing in a custom solution. First of all, manual tasks add up. Think about how much time your team spends on manual data entry, managing orders, or dealing with inventory updates. Over the course of a year, how many hours are wasted on these tasks? What if those hours were automated? For example, if you're spending just 2 hours a day on manual tasks, that can add up to 730 hours per year. Imagine what you could do with that time and how much that time is costing your business when you multiply it against your standard hourly rate. Next, consider lost sales from poor conversion rate. Every time a customer has a poor experience, like struggling to find a product, a complicated checkout process, or slow page loads, you're potentially losing sales. Even if your current conversion rate is decent, a custom app can improve it. Small increases in conversion rates, let's say a 0.5% increase, can result in thousands of dollars in additional sales over the course of a year. Let's talk missed opportunities. Without a custom app, you may be missing out on valuable features like personalized product recommendations or loyalty programs that can increase customer retention. How many repeat customers are you losing because you don't have these features in place? Last but not least, let's consider the competitive disadvantage. As more e-commerce stores adopt custom apps to offer enhanced shopping experiences, your store could fall behind. Staying with a cookie-cutter platform without custom features can leave you vulnerable to competitors who are offering better service, faster checkout, and personalized experiences. When you factor in these hidden costs, the price of an action can far exceed the initial investment in a custom app. So instead of asking, can I afford to develop a custom app, the better question might be, can I afford not to? At RightTech, we help businesses like yours turn these challenges into opportunities by building custom e-commerce apps that boost efficiency, drive sales, and keep your business competitive. Ready to develop a budget and see how we can help you maximize your ROI? Then let's chat.